Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and change the theme in Facebook Messenger, including the group chats. So if you're tired of the plain old default Messenger look, you can add some personality and fun into your group conversations or your personal conversation by creating and changing the chat theme. So you can start by opening the Facebook Messenger applications on your phone, and then open the group chat or the conversations that you want to change its themes. Like for example, this one, I've already changed it with this one right here, this cat theme. So what you need to do to change it, just click on the info icon at the top right corner and you'll see this. Now you can see the customization section, and this is where you can change the theme. Click on theme. Now you'll see there are lots of custom color gradients here, or the theme like dogs, arrows, soccer. So you can just choose from here, or if you want to create your own, you can just click on create with AI. Now you can just describe the theme that you want to hear. So for example, I'm going to just write a beautiful house near. Okay, I'm going to just go with that. You can just hit on send or submit, and Meta AI will create the theme for you. Okay, for example, this one, to use it, you can just tap on next at the top. So this will be the preview on how it will look like on the conversations page. Click on create, continue, and just like that, now the theme has been created. So guys, that's pretty much easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.